How to make money from home. 1. Craft your own stories to sell. Create a book by working with one of your loved ones. Hire a ghostwriter to create a story that will be printed and presented in a physical or audiobook. Earnings. Up to $10,000, if published, plus royalties for every copy that sells. 2. Make and sell candy bouquets. To indulge, why not create a candy bouquet? This project is a great way to make a special occasion or event look special. You can create a variety of candy bouquets by purchasing candy, a flower, and tape. Earnings. $10 to $40 for each bouquet or more. 3. Teach online music lessons. Your kids may be in need of music lessons, so why not help them out? If you're a musician, then help others get started by teaching them how to play the instruments. This could be a side hustle that's already on your resume. Earnings. Up to $50 an hour. 4. Start a blog, and earn money off ads. Learn how to create a website that fits to your passion. This could be anything from fashion to finance. Earnings. $25 to $750 a post.